Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the energies coming to your love life this 2024. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see what are the energies coming to me each month, and it helps me align with whatever goals that I have for the month. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading.
Okay, Pisces, let's see what are the energies coming to your love life ngayong 2024. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Pisces. What's up with you? Love life 2024. Okay. Third house, Mars, and 8th house. Ooh. You will be connecting with a lot of people, no? Maaring marami kang makakasalumuha ngayong 2024 na pwedeng magresulta sa mas malaking connections, no? Pwedeng network connections or yung maraming friends. Makakatulong yan sa'yo if you're looking for a partner, kasi syempre the more na marami kang kakilala, the more na may potential na maging very close sa'yo na pwedeng mauwi sa isang romantic relationship. Meron ditong 8th house. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magiging very mag-explore pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Yung iba maaring mas magiging aggressive or tipong open sa mga relationship na walang label or walang commitment. So, kung gusto mo yun, kung okay sa'yo yun, then you might be entering that kind of relationship. Yung parang friends with benefits, ganyan. You might get yourself into that. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the 7 of Swords. Okay. Be careful. May solar eclipse. Big changes are coming. Okay. Parang mas magiging open ka. Mas ang tawag doon, yung hindi ka na conservative. Mas ka, liberated. Ayan, ganun ang nakikita ko sa'yo. It seems na for you want to be in a relationship na practical, na meron kang nakukuhang benefits. Wala namang masama doon kahit papano, diba? Dahil syempre gusto natin sa relationship we benefit from each other. But of course, lahat naman yun may consequences, no? Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? You have the Strength card. So, ang challenge sa inyo, minsan, you will see yourself na parang struggling sa relationship kasi hindi nyo na alam yung feelings ninyo, no? Mararamdaman nyo if you really love the person o meron ka lang nakukuhang benefit sa person na to. So, be careful din, lalo na sa pagpasok sa isang very serious commitment like pagpapakasal, pag-aasawa, lalo na kung ano lang yan, bugso ng damdamin, no? Kasi parang iba sa inyo, baka biglaan kayong mag-asawa dahil lang sa nagustuhan nyo lang na wala namang other reasons behind it. So, this is your opportunity, the 10 of Cups, happiness, 9 of Coins. Wow. So, as an opportunity, I see you na getting into a very serious relationship ngayong 2024 na kung saan magiging seryoso ka rito at bibigyan mo ng ultimatum siguro yung sarili mo kung hanggang kailan ka pwedeng maghintay. You get what I mean? Kasi maaring meron ka ngayong opportunity na mas maging maganda yung buhay mo because of this person, kasi someone is very supportive sa'yo, sa family ninyo. Okay? And also, there is an opportunity for you to work from home, to be with your family, magkaroon ka ng mas maraming oras at panahon sa family mo, and to enjoy together. Yung mga may relationship na dyan, may mga family na. So, maganda yung energies for you. You have the opportunities to spend more time with your family, or yung tipong mas maganda yung income ninyo as a family. So, pwedeng makapag-travel kayo in some places together with your kids kung meron na kayong anak, or with the person that you're dealing with. So, this is your blessing. A lot of responsibilities, no? So, maaring pagdating sa relationship, ikaw yung mag-handle ng relationship na to, na ikaw yung masusunod, or ikaw yung parang ikaw yung nagdadala ng relationship. I think kahit naman na marami kang mga obligasyon or magiging obligasyon sa relationship na to, kaya mo siyang i-handle because you have this, meron kang skill on how to manage things well. So, kumbaga, managerial type ka pagdating sa relationship. So, let's see what else. The golden mirror, one-sided. Uy, naku, may seduction. Karmic. Ayun na nga. So, some of you, maging maingat sa pakikipag-connect with someone. Okay? Kasi maaring meron kang life lessons na matututunan with this person. Pwedeng magkaroon ng ang tawag doon, yung temptation. Ayan. Pwede magkaroon ng temptation sa'yo or sa person that you're dealing with na pwedeng maging problema in the future. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong makadeal na medyo narcissistic or someone na very controlling sa buhay nyo. Oo, lalo na kung ikaw yung person na, ikaw yung umaasa sa kanya. Oo, may ganun kasi pwedeng reversal yung roles. Ikaw naman yung umaasa sa kanya. So, kahit na itong taong to ay hindi maganda magtrato sa'yo, magsistay ka dyan because you're getting benefits from this person, 'di ba? Yung tipong siya yung nagpo-provide for your needs. Kaya lang may mga kailangan kang tiisin sa taong to, sa ugali niya or the way na kung paano kanya pakitunguhan, 'di ba? Paano kanya itrato. Appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. So I think lahat ng mga may experience mo sa relationship, meron kang mga matututunan diyan, no? And dahil doon, mas malalo mong makikilala yung sarili mo if you are willing to, stay in a situation na medyo toxic or, move sa ibang place, sa ibang lugar na kung saan mas may peace of mind ka. So, look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. Ayan. So, I think you will be stepping into your own power pagdating sa relationship. The moment na makita mo na hindi ka trinatrato na ng maayos and sa tingin mo, naibigay mo na yung understanding sa person that you're dealing with ng buong buo, nagawa mo na yung best mo, pero wala pa rin, I think you will step away from this relationship and focus on healing yourself and focus on building your own life, no? Na hindi umaasa sa person na to. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.